Okay, now let's take a look at how we're going to be working with these pages that we've added. So with the menu editor, we went over in the previous tutorial how to add these pages. So for all of you, that could mean adding a page for every assignment that you complete, or you may decide to have one assignment page with many sub-pages that have all of your different assignments. So it's up to you how you would like to design your page. Because you will not have that many assignments to put on your portfolio, it is easier for people who come to your website to have the links all out in the open like so. But it is completely up to you if you'd like to have sub-pages, which is fine. So we'll go ahead and take a look at how to edit the content in the pages that we have been adding so far. So in the previous tutorial, I added Art 11 to my list of pages. So when I go there, it's a blank page right now, and I can go and click on Edit Content, and it will give you this type of page that looks a bit like a Word document. And basically, you can do the same things here that you would do with a Word document. You could edit the type of heading or paragraph format. You can cut and paste. You can have bold, italics, underlined text. You can also change the alignment of your text just like in a Word document. You can have numbered lists or bulleted lists. And we'll take a look at how some of these things work. So if I have a list, I can click on Insert Remove Numbered List, and you can start typing in whatever your numbered list is about. So you can say this page is about Art 11, for example. And the other thing is you can also remove it by clicking on the same button. So if you have started a numbered list and you decide against it, you can just click on that button again and it goes away. And the next button over to the side is a link. So if you'd like to link something else onto your page, then you can click on that and you add the website address. So for example, let's say on my Art 11 page, I wanted to link to my blog. Then I could put in my blog address. And I could also choose whether I want that website to open in a new window or if I want it to open in the same window. I can press insert. You can also insert an image, and this drop down menu actually gives you an option of inserting a file, a link, a flash animation, or a table. So for photography and most of your portfolios, you're dealing with images, and this is what the image upload page looks like. And basically you go into upload images, and in my case I'm going to go into libraries and take a look at some of the pictures I have, and I'm going to go with this one. Now this is where it's really important that your images are optimized. If your images are not optimized, for one, it's not going to upload as quickly as it did here. You're also going to use up your 100 megabytes of space that Webnode gives you for free really soon if you're not careful with that. So optimization is really important, especially when people visit your page. If your files are too large, they'll take too long to download, and that means that people will not be interested in looking at your photos. And once you've uploaded a photo, you can always change things around. You can insert it. You can double click on it. You can change the width, and then if you keep this lock ratio on, then it will change the height on its own. You can always unlock it, but that's not recommended. You can have a border around it, and this is basically by how many pixels. If you would like a really thick border, you make it a higher number, thin border, lower number. And also alignment, if you want that alignment of the text that goes around your image to be on the right or to the left. So that's up to you. If I click OK, you can see that the text is now going on this side instead of the other side. So you can always save. And that's how you would add content to the pages that you have added. And always remember to publish at the end.